How to know if someone ignored your Snapchat friend request. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open up Snapchat on your device. Then you can just go ahead and click on the Add Friend option on the top right hand side. As soon as you tap on it, you can see the quick add. You can start adding friends. So, if you want to know who you recently added and who ignored your friend request, just go ahead and click on the three dots on the top right hand side and click on Recently Added. Now you can tap on their profile. If this profile shows up without anything or without their info, that means that they have ignored your friend request. But as soon as you tap on your friend, let's suppose I have this friend over here, I'll just go ahead and tap on his profile. And as soon as you tap on his or her profile, if everything shows up, then you are friends with him. So this is exactly how you can know if someone ignored your Snapchat friend request. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.